Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Kaizer 1, Sekhukhune 3. I'm joined by Dollar.
Stibo,
Yeah,
Kosi for life. Today, I gave the lose to Nabi.
Yeah.
He changed everything.
Yeah.
They were starting 11, good one.
Yeah.
He changed Kunika.
Yeah.
He changed Chabalala.
Yeah.
He changed Duba.
Yeah.
He bring on Miss Silva.
Yeah.
Silva is good on second half, maybe 2 minutes. Ashai sama bola.
Yeah.
Today, Nabi was listening. And I'm telling you, next game, Nabi, he will cost us again.
Yeah.
This season is the first game for Nabi. I did so today.
Yeah.
Those 5 games, assistant, they were doing well.
Excellent.
Today was starting the season.
Yes, Nabi, yeah.
They lost.
Yeah.
The second game,
Yeah.
mark my word, he will draw.
Next game.
Yeah, because you know what? He's confused. He'll change the team again. The team was okay. Why you bring young men from injury?
McCarthy.
Nkunika was doing well. You don't bring Chabalala. That boy, the other one.
Mabue, Mayo.
No, that one.
Villas.
Duba. They were doing well there. You understand? He cost us the game. But anyway, Kosi has paid more.
Yeah.
Next game, we'll try. But we'll give him 3 games.
Yeah.
After 3 games, we must give him another leave. And then assistant will take over. I'm telling you. After leave, we'll give him 3 games. We'll give him leave. Serious, simple. We don't punish him and just kick him out. No, we give him leave. Assistant will show him the way. Kosi for life.
Thank you, Jola. Thank you, Jola. Thank you.